All right, everybody. Good afternoon. How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to my show, or welcome back to my show. I'm your host, Joey Rips, and we're back at Optical. We're back at it. Yeah. I told you I was done with it, but I lied. I lied. Sorry. Just the way it is. We'll get ripping. I'll go through the story. Let me get my stage set up. There you go. Giddy up. Yeah, I still need more cards, and I need a lot more than I thought. So instead of buying singles, which yes, I know it would be cheaper, but would it be fun? Not so much, right? Would I be able to make content of me going on eBay and buying packs? No. So, again, I do this for you. I also, I got a big mail day in. We're going to bury the first pack as I normally do. I got a big mail day in today, so I'm actually looking forward to filming that as well. So, yeah. And there you have it. You got the story. What did I just do with my box of fungal? There it is. I need a garbage can. I don't know why I put it away. Alright, that's my little garbage can. Alright, let's, okay, so my bad. I forgot to bring you around the box. 6 packs per box, 4 cards. Looking for 3 pink parallels, as you can see. Autos, Mems, Downtowns, Mythicals, Blazers. What is more? Does anybody know what more is? Tell me. Jim Kelly's going to start us off, though. Tyreek Stevenson on the pink. Brian Brees and Brees Hall. Well, there you go. Look at that. Wasn't that convenient? Brees Hall and Brian Brees. Fungal. You know what's going to happen. So we are still downtown hunting. I have no idea why I'm sleeving this. You know every optical card's going to get a sleeve. Don't know why the hell I'm doing that. Alrighty then. So yeah, I'm on vacation this week. So some of you received a very late text message last night from me because I got your Optic packs out today. So you should be receiving them. They are look at that, Brian Branch. You should be receiving your monthly team pack, right? Got a Green Bay Packer. Hey, there you go. There's Brett Favre on the holo. And that's my buddy Dave's team. And his line is what? Go Pack Go. There you go. Hey, look at this. So, get it out of there. Go Pack Go. So there you go. All right, Dave. We'll sleeve that up and put that on stage just for you, bro. So yeah, I got it all done, and I mailed it out. And some of you were mailed out 2 days ago, so you have that going for you as well. So yeah, I got them out. All right, there's Jim McMahon starting us off. Our pink parallel is behind. Wow, look at this shit. I got another Packer, and that's Sean Clifford right there on the pink from Tarjay. Jair Brown. Wow, look at this. And Brandon Ayuk. Alright. So yeah. Team packs are out. Hope everybody enjoys them. Looking forward to the feedback. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy yourself. I hope I'm entertaining and educational at the same time. Do we got mythical? No, that's just another holo. But yeah. I have team packs for sale. Mont St. Bron got himself paid. Josh Downs. Let's see what our holo is going to be. I like it already. Blue and red is good. Jalen Hyatt on the holo, and Justin Jet, J-Jet. So yeah, I have team packs available. They're $45. That includes shipping. And I also have hot packs as well. I did see a rated rookie. I don't know why I stuck that rated rookie over there. Yeah, if you're interested, boom, look in the description below. Read through it, please, before you respond, and then hit me up, and I'll get you set up for a team pack. It comes out every month, so you pay at the end of each month, and it'll come out the following month. So as it was this month, it was the 28th. It was due. Money was due on the 28th, and the packs will go out. You should get it for July. Ray Lewis. Hey, Manny Forbes on the pink Target. That's Bijan Robinson right there. And Chris Goodwin. Let's get a sleeve for Bijan. So yeah, that's it's nice. At a good time packing, building those packs. In case you're wondering, and I'll continue to go through this, and I apologize for those of you who already know this, but this is not a break, okay? You're not buying a break on your team, you're buying a team pack. I had to explain that a couple of times, and I want to make sure everyone is, aware of that. Hey, Ron, there's Tank Bigsby, and looks like we have ourselves an insert. Let's hope it's a hottie. Little tutties. Nope. Hidden Pro Potential. Bryce Young. I'll take that. And TJ Hawkinson is on the base. We'll put that up every day of the week and twice on Sunday. Alright. Next box. So, yeah. And then I also been doing some shopping on Whatnot, and that's where these mail days are from. Again, I still need product in order to send out. I don't have as many patches as I would like, so I'm trying to just buy some stuff without buying boxes, right? Just trying to be business sense as well. I know it's not that much fun, but I am trying to be business smart about it. Bruce Smith is going to start us off. Marvin Mims, which should have a good season this year. What do we got here? Our Aaron Rodgers, and that's our insert on the light up. And Mike Williams. So already we got our thing, because I didn't burn the first pack. That's why. See, and there you go. We're going to put that retro in the back and sleeve up Marvin Mims. We're looking for that downtown, baby. We need one. Need one. Need a downtown. CJ Stroud. Joey B starting us off. Luke Musgrave. This has been the Green Bay Packers boxes. Jake Bobo. Najee. Alright, let's get Luke Musgrave is going to hang out with his backup quarterback. They can throw passes to each other. Josh Jacobs. Will Anderson Jr. on the rated rookie. And let's see who we got on the holo. That's Nick. Nope, George Kittle. George Kittle on the holo. Harrison Smith. And there's our sensor. It's good luck. Russell Wilson. Will Levis on the pink. We'll take that hit every day of the week. Twice on Sunday. Michael Wilson, another stud. And Tyler Lockett. 2 packs to go. Let's get some sleeves on that. Let's make sure that there's no, because that looks pretty damn clean right there. I've been noticing, I guess, where the machine grabs the card, they're leaving dimples up on the top, like right above the helmet. This looks pretty clean, and I can tell you right now that is, man, that's about as 10 as you're gonna fucking get. So this one's, yeah, this one's going to the grader, because that's Will Levis on the pink. That's going to the grader. We'll put that to the side, and I'll peel it out later. All right, Mark Andrews, Tyree. And let's see who we got on the holo. Justin Fields on the holo. That's the backup quarterback. Michael Thomas. He's going to get another shot. So if you folks are looking for some info, I'm telling you right now, hold on to his cards along with Kenny Pickett, because they're not done in any sense. And there's Stingley Jr. starting us off. And what do we got here? Oh shit, guys, we got fucking lasers, baby. Whoo-hoo, we got lasers. All right, that's what I was hoping for. We got ourselves, I'm gonna pull from the back first, okay? Our rated rookie is in the back. That is DJ Turner. Our pink parallel is going to be another rookie. That's Felix. And our laser, which I don't see any funky, so I don't think it's a downtown. It's not. It is a downtown, guys. It's a fucking downtown. Yes, baby. Let's go. Oh, what do we got? That's a Brit. Yeah, it is. That's a fucking downtown Eli Manning. I was just saying this to my son. I was looking for this card. Fuck yeah. Yeah, look at that. All right, man. That's it. I am, wow, super, super happy. That's a PC hit. That card will not go anywhere. That's staying in my collection. That's a downtown Eli Manning. Yes! Oh, man. Dude, listen to me. I know I've hit downtowns before, and you've seen, you know, me hit case hits before. There is no fucking better feeling than hitting a PC hit. Don't care about the value of it. I know it's not a CJ Stroud. I don't give a shit. This is my PC right here. This stays with me. It dies with me. It gets passed along to my son. That is fucking awesome. Oh, I love that. Shaking. Fucking shaking. Oh. That's awesome. My son has ran downstairs because he heard me screaming. Now he's recording me. But, man, that's so nice. I am so happy. I am so friggin' happy.
We were literally just talking about this 2 hours ago.
Yeah, we were just talking about it. I'm like, I don't have that Eli Manning downtown. I want it. I got it. So, yeah. That is so friggin' cool. That is so cool. Let's go, baby. Let's go. And guys, let me give you, I have no idea, okay, what this is. If anybody can help me out, I'm not really sure what this is. But the background, so they have the mall that they just built a few years back, and they have the Ferris wheel is like a staple, because if you take a Ferris wheel ride, you can see New York. You could actually see my fucking house from that Ferris wheel, but be that as it may. Yeah. The other thing is he's standing on a table. I have no clue what he's doing, but this background, I can tell you, is my job, okay? That is the railroad station in the back. It looks like... It looks like where the boats come in and out of Hoboken Terminal, and that's the shape of the view that you get from New York. So if you live in Manhattan, you're looking over to Hoboken, you're going to see this view, okay? You're going to see the Hoboken terminal, and you're going to see this Ferris wheel. But the rest of it, I don't know. But listen, who gives a shit? I got me fucking Eli Manning downtown. That's going to fucking die with me right there. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Been wanting it, and now I got it. I think that's all I have. Yeah, that's all I got. Everyone, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. Once again, if you're looking for a team pack, I do have these. I do have a bunch of teams left, so don't be shy. Look in the description below. Make sure you read it, and then look. There you go. You can find it at Joey Rips. Okay. Same thing with the. What do you call it? A hot pack. You're looking for a hot pack, they're $20 plus shipping. If you're looking for a team pack, it's $45. Shipping is included. You'll get about $50 worth of cards, and you know, anywhere between 35 and 50 cards. So and they'll be good cards. There's no base. There'll be inserts. You know, that is going to be in the next Green Bay Packer thing. Okay, so next team pack will be Brett Favre on the hollow. All right, folks. Listen, thanks for stopping by. Let me go through and okay. So we got, wow, I'm crazy right now. I'm all thrown off. I got me Neil downtown. I am all fucked up. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. All right, Luke Musgrave is on the pink. Sean Clifford, Will Levitz, that is gonna go and get graded. Manny Forbes, Felix, and Tyreek Stevenson. My bear guy for the team pack. There you go, buddy. All right. For the hollows, we got Jalen Hyatt. That's a PC. Goes right in the corner. Justin Fields and Brett Favre on the hollow. You got Bijan on the base. And our inserts are going to be Aaron Rodgers, Light It Up, and Bryce Young, Hidden Potential. And believe it or not, I mean, look at my list. Nobody has Carolina. I can't believe that Carolina's still open. I'm telling you, this kid's going to be a stud, and his card's only going to go up. Right now, you get it dirt cheap. His card's going to go up. Hold on to your Bryce Young football cards. There's my education for the day. All right, folks, once again, thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I appreciate the love and support you folks give me. And again, that love and support also comes in the fact of a team pack or a hot pack, because things are getting a little tight and I need to make some money in order to keep replenishing these videos. So please reach out and give me some support. I do appreciate it. Thanks, everyone. I am your host, Joey Rips, and I'm out.